Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.4 question number 2 part 5th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me, what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables? It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is a very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.4 question number 2. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. By the elimination method. Question 2 part 5. A lending library has fixed charges. Lending library has fixed charges for the first 3 days and an additional charges for each day thereof. Sarita paid Rs 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. While Susie paid Rs 21 for a book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each extra day. Question is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Here, according to first situation, library has fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge for each day. Clear? There are two types charges. First, fixed charge. Second, additional charge. Clear? Fixed charge for 3 days, first 3 days, and additional charge for each day. Clear? Sarita paid 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. Clear? And Susie paid 21 for a book she kept for 5 days. Find fixed charge and additional charge. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the word. Let fixed charge for 3 days equal to x. Fixed charge for 3 days. X additional charge and additional charge per day equal to y. Additional charge per day equal to y. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. According to first situation, Sarita paid 27 for a book she kept 7 days. Clear? According to question, x plus fixed charge for 3 days. Here Sarita paid 27 for 7 days. Fixed charge x for 3 days. Remaining days 4 days. Additional charge for last 4 days. 4y equal to 27. It is equation first. Here fixed charge x for 3 days and last 4 days. For last 4 days additional charge 4 multiply y, 4y. Clear? Because additional charge for per day equal to y, then additional charge for 4 days 4y. X plus 4y equal to 27. And according to second situation, Sushi paid 21 rupees for a book she kept 5 days. Fixed charge for first 3 days x. Remaining days 2 days, because here total days 5. Fixed charge for first 3 days, remaining days 2 days. It means additional charge for 2 days 2y equal to 21. Equation second. Here total days 5. Fixed charge first 3 days x. Remaining days 2 days. Additional charge for 2 days 2y, because additional charge for per day equal to y, then additional charge for 2 days 2y. Hence x plus 2y equal to 21. It is equation second and it is equation first. Equation first and equation second is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Equation first is according to first situation and equation second is according to second situation. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Now you multiply by 1 in equation first and equation second. Multiply by 1 in equation first and second. Then here multiply by 1 in equation first. It becomes x plus 4y equal to 27 equation third. It is equation third. And multiply by 1 in equation second, it become x plus 2y equal to 21. Equation 4. It is equation 4. Equation third, equation 4. When you multiply by 1 in equation first, then you find equation third. When you multiply by 1 in equation second, you find equation fourth. Because here 1x and here 1x. Clear? Now subtract equation third from equation fourth. Subtract. Now subtract equation third from equation fourth. Equation third from equation 4. Here equation 4 is x plus 2y equal to 21. Equation 4. Equation third is x plus 4y equal to 27. It is equation third. Now draw a line and change its sign. Clear? Here plus sign, so you write minus. Here plus, so you write minus. Here plus, so you write minus. Clear? You can cut it. Plus x minus x, cut it. Here plus 2y, here minus 4y. You subtract it, you find minus 2y equal to. Here plus 21, here minus 27. You subtract it, it become minus 6. Clear? You can cut minus and minus. It become 2y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Y equal to 3. You find y equal to 3. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now put y equal to 3 in equation. You can put it in equation third or equation 4. Clear? Put y equal to 3 in equation 4. Here 4 is x plus 2y equal to 21. It is equation 4. Put y equal to 3. Here x plus 2 multiply 3 equal to 21. X plus 6. 2 3 is 6. 21. You can write 6 on right side of equal. It become x equal to 21 minus 6. X equal to, you subtract 8. Clear? 15. X equal to 15 and y equal to 3. You find x equal to 15, y equal to 3. Hence fixed charge for first 3 days, for first 3 days equal to x equal to 15 rupees. Clear? Fixed charge 15 rupees and additional charge for each day. Each day equal to y equal to 3 rupees. Additional charge 3 rupees, fixed charge 15 rupees. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here find the fixed charge. and charge for each extra day. It means additional charge y equal to 3, fixed charge 15. You solve your question very easily and you find your answer very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily and you can find your answer very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.